How to hide A's on Tinder. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide A's on Tinder. To do so, first of all, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, in this home page, here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate different icons. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and this will take you to your profile page. Here, you'll be able to locate the pencil icon just above your profile picture. Tap on the pencil icon and once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down all the way and at the very bottom, you'll be able to see the option Don't Show My A's. At the right side, you'll be able to see a toggle button which is currently turned off. Now, to hide the A's on Tinder, you just simply need to tap on the toggle button at the right side of this option and enable it. But note that this requires subscription. If you have subscribed to any one of these plans available here, only then you will be able to hide your A's. Otherwise, you will not be able to do so. If you have subscribed to any of the plan, you can proceed further and select the option. If not, you can tap on this continue button and subscribe to any one of this plan here to unlock the feature. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide A's on Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.